Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Now, let's see, Mr. Strong, let's see about taking care of your case. Can you stop walking and stay put?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I'm just anxious. I have many things to do.
Well, that's too bad. I understand. Uh, we're on the record in 2024 TR 1676, State of Kansas versus Jacob Desmond Strong. Jared Regier for the state. Mr. Strong appearing in person and pro se on operating a motor vehicle without ignition interlock as required after DUI and unsafe turning or stopping. And when you were here, let's see, July 3rd, you were told you could either hire an attorney or apply for court appointed. My docket notes aren't adding up. July 23rd, called the financial court day. He has another case apparently in Butler County. Mr. Regier, my docket notes are not making a whole lot of sense to me. What do you have?
I have
One moment, Your Honor.
I have another case.
Now, hold on. That's what it says.
I've never the only one I believe to have is the one I'm here on now. I've never been made aware of any other case.
According to the docket notes, they told you to call Lori Mann at the sheriff's office, but let's see what Mr. Regier has.
Okay.
Your Honor, I am showing another case involving the same defendant, 23 TR 300061. It would appear that in that matter, there was a there has not yet been a successful first appearance owing to the defendant's failure to appear last month on the 17th.
Well, there you have it, sir. I see you've got a fairly long, oh my, yes, you've got a long history in the state system from Sedgwick County to whatever, RS, CQ, that's probably Chautauqua, Butler. All right, so what's the status of it? Is there an active warrant on it? Let me see. I don't expect you to answer that. Let me see.
This is the first I'm hearing about any of this. I was if I was mistaken, because I do keep tracks. I have my notebook with me. I've always taken notes. I believe
All
that
right.
I had a case.
Mr. Strong, where do you have to go to court next today?
Bartlesville.
Bartlesville, is it by Zoom also?
No, in person.
Where are you located right now?
Bartlesville, Oklahoma.
All right, is that where you're living right now?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to order that you be here in person Wednesday at 9 a.m. In person at the courthouse, Wednesday, 9 a.m.
This Wednesday?
This Wednesday.
Okay.
Kansas.
Okay. I will try to do my best. So is there some things I need to be made aware of? Do I have warrants or?
You're gonna have a warrant if you don't show up here Wednesday.
Okay, I understand that I will be there. Do I have warrants now?
I'm telling you, you've got to be here at the courthouse. I don't know how many warrants you have or don't have. I see you've got a long history, but I'm telling you that you have got to be here at this courthouse Wednesday at 9 a.m. You better not just do your best. You better be here or I will send the sheriff or his designee. In other words, I will put a warrant out for you if you don't show up.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you want to apply for an attorney, you might contact the clerk after you get through with court. You said your court in Bartlesville is 1 o'clock?
Yes.
Well, I don't want you to miss that because then you'll get another warrant if between that and what I will issue, you're going to be staying in jail. So get to Bartlesville Court.
Okay. In
What's the
regards
name
to
of that court? Is that a city court, a state court, district court?
it's just the one in city, I believe.
A city court in what town? Bartlesville?
Yeah. So I don't mean to interrupt or be rude. In regards to my case, I was continued last time that I'd seen you on Zoom to show proof of a license. I have got all of my tickets paid. I am waiting for the courts to process those papers to the DMV or the Division of Driving, so that way I could display that to you.
If you want to continue to represent yourself, you're welcome to do that. If you want an attorney, you're welcome to hire one. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, as you've been told before, as on July 3rd, you can contact the clerk of the district court and ask for an application, and they can send you one.
Okay.
But I'd like for you to have that done by Wednesday so you can have representation when you show up Wednesday. If you want representation, you may do fine without representation. It's your call to make. But right now, I'm worried about you getting in trouble with that court in Bartlesville. I think maybe for some reason, I think I've started being more concerned about it than you have. So what's your charge, sir?
No,
What's your charge in Bartlesville?
Charge with you guys?
Excuse me?
I have I was already sentenced. It's in regards to a charge that I had took maybe 2 years ago now, I believe. It is called grand larceny.
Okay. Well, if it's grand larceny, that suggests felony, doesn't it? So it'd be in district court?
Yes.
All right. Well, I better let you go then, but you be back here. And I want you in person at the courthouse in El Dorado, 9 a.m. Wednesday this week, August 28th.
Okay.
So don't get yourself in any more trouble down there in Bartlesville.
I will not. I just hope I'm not in any more trouble than what I am with you guys.
What's your address down there? Anything further, Mr. Regier?
2 points, Your Honor. Does the court consider itself on the record in the 2024 case only, and is the court only intending on taking up the 2024 case at the Wednesday setting?
Let's put that 20. You do have another case, Mr. Strong, and I'm going to put that 2024 TR. Now let's hold off on that. Right now, I'm just going to take up the 23 TR for now, and then if he shows up like I've told him to, then we can address the other one too, and get them both resolved in one hearing.
If the court is only on the docket for today and at this point, Wednesday on the 2024 case, my office is satisfied, Your Honor.
All right.
What do I need to do to find out more information about this other case? Because I have not been made aware of any other case when I've made calls and asked and wrote down in my notebooks.
Well, we'll take that up Wednesday if we need to. All right.
Okay.
Sir, you better get to court. You said it's an in-person court?
Yeah.
You better get going.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll be in recess.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. You may go.